An undocumented worker discovered his construction crew was using cheap materials in a school foundation to boost profits. Speaking up meant risking everything. His foreman had already threatened to call immigration on anyone who reported safety violations. For 5 years, he'd been sending money home to a sick mother and 3 siblings. One phone call could destroy it all, but he kept thinking about the children who would sit in those classrooms every day. So he took detailed photos and anonymously sent them to the city building inspector, knowing his handwriting might give him away. His tip prevented a collapse that could have killed hundreds of kids. The anonymous reward program gave him $25,000. The grateful school board helped him get legal status. Today, he owns a safety inspection company that protects buildings across the entire state. People ask him why he risked everything for strangers. He says, "I could have stayed silent and kept my secret safe, but speaking up kept hundreds of children safe instead." One choice changed everything, not just for him, but for every child whose life he saved.